endangered southern white rhinoceroses here in Hwangi National Park.
Hwangi!
Don't let their name fool you. They're actually stone gray in color. Their name is derived from the Afrikaans word "wide," meaning wide or square-lipped. As grazers, white rhinos have a wider mouth legs in order to reach leaves above the normal browsing height. Adult males are quite territorial during the breeding season. The mouflon is thought to be one of two original as you continue on safari through the
Planet of the Ape.
When you do come to the end of the trail, however, there is even more for you to experience. Our walk through Safari World will provide you with hours of entertainment and will give you an opportunity to relax and further enjoy your
They
visit
have
with
washer
us.
machine.
Most of our animal presentations, rides, and entertainment are included in your original admission fee. Be sure to visit our gift shops where you can browse for souvenirs, cameras,
Like, I guess in the campus of the water.
The Brazilian favelas.
The Gir Forest is named for the famous wildlife
This is the
sanctuary
favela.
found in western India.
Why?
Its inhabitants include
Why is
buck,
it a favela?
nilgai, and Asiatic water buffalo. These animals have a large
La
territory
favela.
in which to roam, so please be sure to look
Why is
carefully
it a
around as you
favela?
drive slowly
El
through.
primo de Dropiño Gaucho.
Could very well be if you look closer.
Man, this is la
to this
favela
concealed
for
animal.
real.
Remember, please drive very slowly. You will soon be strong and highly flexible. It can be used for pulling down trees, ripping off foliage, carrying food and water to its mouth, and for dust bathing. It is also very sensitive and is used to touch, smell, and to trumpet calls to other elephants. Finger-like projections at the end of the trunk allow it to pick up and examine even very small objects. The ivory tusks are actually enormously enlarged in size or teeth and can grow up to great lengths, particularly in males. The largest tusk ever recorded was 10 feet long and weighed nearly 230 pounds. Unfortunately, African elephants have been hunted extensively for their tusks, and their populations have been severely reduced in recent decades. The African elephant is most easily distinguished from its Asian cousin by its large ears. Their ears are flapped continuously in the heat of the day, which helps to cool them down and to chase away pesky flies.
That's where we
The
came
size
over
of the
here.
ears indicate they have excellent hearing. They can detect long-distance communication from others. Their name is derived from the Afrikaans word "wide," meaning wide or square-lipped. As grazers, white rhinos have a wider mouth than black rhinos, which are browsers. They are quite gregarious animals and are usually found in small groups in thin woodland or grassy open spaces. White rhinos can weigh as much as
Look at
3.5 tons, stand nearly 6 feet at the shoulder, and be longer than the average mid-sized automobile. All rhinos are short-sighted, but
Look
they
at
have
the zebra.
acute senses of smell and hearing. They are basically peaceful creatures in spite of their formidable-looking horns. It is widely believed that the horns are made of a bony material. Actually, the horns are composed of a mass of fibers made of keratin, the same protein found in the antelope's horns and in our own hair and fingernails. Rhinos have been extensively overhunted for their horns, which in some parts of the world are carved and used as ceremonial dagger handles, or are powdered and used for medicinal purposes. Today, all species of
Look at
rhinos
his
are in
side.
severe danger of extinction in the wild. We are proud to say that
My
many
God, look at
southern
the
white
side of that
rhinos have
body.
been born here at Lion Country since 1977.
Mira zebra.
Although
Oh,
some
look
have
at the black
remained here with
spaghetti.
us, others have been sent to zoological parks throughout North America
Look
as
at
part
that.
of the American Zoo and
look at
Aquarium
that.
Association's
Hey,
Species
man, the first
Survival
time.
Plan, or SSP. This conservation program helps to
Look at
preserve
zebra.
strong genetics in endangered
Gee,
species.
he's
Lion Country
horny.
has been involved in the SSP for white rhinos since 1998.
What about the white spot? The stripe, the white stripes over there. They don't have it. Look. Wait, let me.
Species, the Adra gazelle, require more water than others adapted to its dry habitat, although it can survive long periods of drought. Like most desert species, this gazelle is highly
speaker?
nomadic, ranging widely in order to obtain sufficient nutrition.
Wait.
In addition, these gazelles undertake large seasonal migrations, moving north into the Sahara Desert during the rainy season and retreating south into the Sahel during the dry season. To maximize the amount. If you have not not yet reached the elephant exhibit, please stop this recording now and restart it when you have reached that point. Souvenirs and
Planet
ice
of
cream
the
for
Apes.
everyone. You'll have a roaring
Las
good time.
favelas.
For more details, stop by the main office today or check out our website.
Look at all the clothes hanging.
Remember to watch carefully for the animals here in the KKAARR forest. Parts of this preserve are quite heavily wooded, and the animals here may well be hiding in plain sight. We'll explore the KKAARR forest in just a few minutes. You will probably notice an employee in a zebra-striped vehicle up ahead of you. They are there for your protection and for the protection of the animals in the surrounding preserve, in case they try to wander into the domain of His Majesty, the lion. Yes, there are lions ahead. In the trees, but instead travel through their environment with a hand-over-hand method of locomotion called brachiation. If walking on large tree limbs or on the ground, they will often hold their arms high above their heads for balance. Gibbons eat mostly fruits, leaves, and other vegetable matter, but will also eat insects, eggs, and small vertebrates. They
Wow,
are
look at that
highly
one. That one is
territorial
cool.
and will vigorously defend their territories with noisy acrobatic displays. Spacing of family group territories are maintained using loud
Look
group
at that.
vocalizations, which are often heard here at Lion Country Safari.
That's the ball.
By now you must have spotted the tallest of all animals, the giraffe. Reaching heights of up to 18 feet, they are the watchtowers of the tree-scattered African terrain in which they live. With a keen sense of smell and hearing and outstanding vision, they are well equipped to sense danger approaching. When a giraffe stops to stare, other animals would be wise to take note. Its long legs and neck and a 17-inch prehensile tongue allow the giraffe to reach the tender leaves of the tallest acacia trees. Look way up. You might be surprised to learn that despite the length of its neck, the giraffe has the same number of neck vertebrae as a much smaller human, or even a tiny mouse. 7, because its head is so far above its heart.
Stairs like that. If we cannot be caught.
It's camouflage.
Yeah.
That's right. They are sniper tourists.
Oh yeah.
He let you touch it?
I think you get to pay. Bobby, can we feed them this? 25 cents. Bobby, can I have 25 cents? Bobby, can I have 25 cents?
But that's for fish.
Yeah, not. I don't have coins.
Come on.
Eat the free turtles.
That means you eat it.
Oh my god, I threw it at the turtles for nothing.
I was like, what about me?
Extra food! Extra! How did they eat the food?
You have to hold it. Now you're closer.
This thing is falling. You guys did
Non so, anche chi è visiante.
You hear him?
Ну, смотри, сейчас.
Talk to him.
We need that CD. And then